So this is the SmallRig L-Bracket for the Fuji X-T3 and also for the X-T2. This L-Bracket's really neat. Definitely a little bit different than the one that Fuji provides. You see that there's a flat or built-in flat screwdriver that's located at the bottom of the bracket. It's made out of iron, and you can easily put it, store it there. Has, of course, a hole so that you can take out the battery. That looks pretty neat, very accessible. Though the panel on the side is really hard to grab, so you have to slide the monitor there so you can have access to the panel on the side of the camera. Other than that, the built-in flat screwdriver can also unscrew the L-bracket and then tighten it up. The L-bracket is Archetype Compatible, which is a dovetail plate, which apparently has a center marks on both axes. So that's a plus. Now that you have the L-bracket pulled out, you can easily access that panel. Okay, now let's look at the side profile. Here we have a wooden hand grip to make it more ergonomic when you hold the camera. Definitely gives it a nice little style. And it has a very nice low profile when the L-bracket is attached to the camera. Now here you can see one type or a particular setup. You have the video micro, and in this case you see the bottom of the L-bracket attached to the tripod. One thing about the L-bracket, if you don't extend it, it's a bit awkward putting the audio plug. You can see that it's not quite tugged in until you move it in that position. One thing to keep in mind. There you have the focus and also the video micro, and both of them can easily fit when you extend the L-bracket. Let's look in a different position here. You can see up close. Does it protect it? I don't know. I don't know if it could, but it gives you a sense of the orientation. Talking about orientation, this looks a little weird, but I guess you could use the L-bracket to do a vertical video, which would definitely be beneficial. And you can see that the focus cable, the HDMI cable, does seem to fit okay when attached to the tripod or to the head. Let's try a different orientation here. Again, it looks a little awkward, doesn't it? But again, I guess you could do a movie that way. And here are the top one is the SmallRig, and the bottom one is the Fuji one. And I'm really liking the SmallRig L-Bracket. Definitely cost a lot less. Right now, this is the middle of February. On the website, it says it's $79, which is a great deal. And definitely worth considering, especially when you can utilize this in different facets.